So I just signed up for Synthesia, and we're just going to play with the demo here and see how it does video creation. So we're just getting into it here. So we're going to create our first video. I've done the whole sign up thing where it asks you a whole bunch of questions about your uh, business and all that. But let's just kind of create a first video. I'm going to go with case study and see what this does. I'm actually going to take this blog post I've created from my blog, and I'm going to put that in here. Audience, I'm going to say this is business owners interested in AI prompt writing. There we go. So we're going to start with that. And let's just create a video. Let's see what this does. See how quickly we can get some cool video. Add your source. Any document, PowerPoint. Well, I don't have a source or a web page. Okay, let's add a web page. Edit the outline. Oh, this is just the template here. So let's actually, oh, look, it's going here. So mastering prompt. We'll just let it do what it does off of that simple little video prompt. So as you can see, it's working away here. I really like these video creation tools. I'm finding a few of them very, very good. This is the first time I've played with Synthesia here. So it's picking an avatar, and it's really building a bit of a presentation here, I guess, pulling in Getty images, all that. So this is what we've got so far. 2 scenes. Can replace the layout here. We're just going to go with it the way it is. I'm going to dump my URL. Oh, no, that's not the URL. I'm going to put this URL in, see if this changes anything. I don't think it's going to do much. And let's continue to the editor here. All right. So moving along here. Well, it looks like it's pulling some stuff in from Substack. Edit your script. So it's got some great little, I haven't added my, it's been deleted. Yeah, we'll just leave that the way it is. Goes through kind of like the pieces here. So here's where you can change your avatar to a different person. Here's where you can select the voice. Over here is where you can generate the video when you're done. And we're there. So let's maybe check out the avatar here. Need more avatars. I want to grab, let's say, somebody else here. What else could we do? Or these are all maybe premium. Anyway, let's just stay with the standard. And we're not going to spend too much time. We're just going to generate this based off of what we've got here. It's going to take 10 minutes. And it'll be ready shortly. 2 minutes remaining. I bet you it's even less. We got a short video, so it should be done probably pretty quickly here. Again, I didn't do anything special in here. We're just going to see what this generates out of the box with a very simple prompt using a web page I had written about mastering prompts with AI, and we'll just let it kind of build whatever it can out of the box here. Demo account, nothing fancy. While we're waiting here, you can like and subscribe to my channel. I talk about all kinds of AI technologies and strategies and tools. Would love for you to follow along. If you have questions, you can drop them down in the comments. I like to review apps like this, even blind. Like, I've never used this before, so we're just checking it out and seeing how it works. So if you're interested in learning more, this is definitely the channel for you. We'll see how much longer this takes. Another 2 minutes. So we're still waiting. While we wait, we're just going to dismiss. We can look around here and see what else. Only 45 seconds. You could upgrade, obviously. We're going to wait. So 18%. Just looking around here. So AI dubbing, selfie avatars, bulk personalization. You got an asset library, brand kits. So again, if you have a particular brand, you can load in all your brand assets like your logo and your colors and all that. I guess you can pick some avatars. Um, so yeah, super simple. I guess we could speed this up if we actually upgrade it, but we're not going to do that yet. We're going to just let this go and see how it works from there. So you can build out a workspace as well, add multiple workspaces. So if you want different projects, maybe you've got multiple blogs, what have you, you can do that in workspaces. We're still 23% away here. So looking at some of the templates that you can use, again, a whole bunch of great ones, simplified. Again, really easy to create AI videos with these AI avatars, product demos, welcome training. Again, all depends on your use case. Again, create with AI. You start off right from here. So very interesting templates. You can even import your own PowerPoint if you've got like a corporate style, template that your company uses. You just can bring that in and then probably add one of these avatars into that template to do the whole presentation. So very great. You can create obviously YouTube style landscape videos and portrait videos. Again, helping with TikTok or your YouTube shorts. I'll have to try these out. These look pretty cool as well. So all kinds of tags here to find things. Again, very corporate in terms of its video creation tags here. Again, looks like we're almost at 100% here. Still being processed. So we're going to wait a little bit more. AI dubbing here, translate any video into 32 languages. So again, if you're a company that operates in multiple regions, you can literally do voice translation in here. A very powerful tool for that. Selfie avatars. Again, add photos. You can create different avatars based off of a selfie. Super powerful. All right, we're getting close here. Let's get to our videos. Let's see if it's loading. Let's see if we can play this thing here. All right, let's check it out. Wow, very powerful. It's very realistic. It's pretty impressive. So we can see here, this video is really powerful. Yeah, love to know what you think in the comments. What do you think about this video? The AI avatar. It's pretty realistic. Again, pulled in the content. You saw we didn't do much. It literally just grabbed information from my blog page and off it goes. So if I spent a little bit more time crafting this, working through the script, making sure it's right, editing all those things, this could be dialed in really well. So again, really cool tool. I don't know. I'm pretty impressed with the first thing. Love to know what you think. Again, there's a link down below if you want to try this out and test this out for yourself. Looks really good for marketing, looks good for HR, all kinds of business use cases for creating these videos. And again, faceless. You don't have to be the face. You can use one of these many avatars. So check it out. Hope you found this interesting. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.